Thank you for tuning in to samaditech, your go-to source for the latest in automotive technology. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the newest gadgets and accessories for your vehicle. These specialized pliers are engineered for removing valve packing glands and are 27 centimeters long, crafted from durable alloy steel for reliable, long-lasting use. Resistant to deformation and breakage, they are specifically designed for replacing valve seals in engines with overhead camshafts. The notched gripping surfaces provide secure contact with rubber gaskets, while the extended jaws allow easy extraction of oil seals from tight spaces in the cylinder head. These pliers carefully remove old seals without causing damage or deformation, offering superior precision compared to conventional pliers. A durable car roof tent is the perfect choice for camping, made from 100% waterproof materials to keep you comfortable and protected in all weather conditions. The upgraded version includes 2 luggage poles, LED light strips, YKK zippers, a 5 centimeter thick mattress, and a 2.3 meter folding ladder. Setup is quick and effortless, thanks to gas struts. Compatible with any vehicle, the tent's high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction offer wind resistance and durability. It comfortably fits 2 adults and 1 child, with multiple storage pockets for essentials like tablets and other gear. The coil-over strut's adjustable spring shock absorber kit includes both front and rear shock absorber struts with springs. The front springs have a stiffness of 14 kilograms per millimeter, while the rear springs are rated at 10 kilograms per millimeter. This design allows for independent adjustment of the car's suspension height without compromising shock absorber travel. After installation, car handling is improved, cornering roll is reduced, braking distance is shortened, and overall driving safety is enhanced. Adjusting the spring preload allows for a comfortable ride with balanced suspension response and excellent road feedback. The Fender roller is a highly effective professional tool designed for widening and reshaping fenders. It enables you to gradually expand wheel arches, allowing for larger diameter wheels or increased tire clearance. Whether you're creating extra arch space or repairing collision damage, this tool makes the job easy. It attaches directly to the hub flange via an adapter plate, compatible with both 4 and 5-bolt hubs, fitting most vehicles for quick installation. Constructed from durable steel, the tool features a fully adjustable lever for controlled pulling or pushing, making it adaptable for multiple applications. The 3-jaw internal bearing puller is an essential tool for automotive repair. Its 3-jaw mechanism evenly distributes pressure, preventing the bearing from slipping or getting damaged, ensuring stability and reliability during removal. Made from high-quality carbon steel with special heat treatment, this puller provides robust construction and high torque. Even with minimal wrench rotation, it delivers strong pulling force, preventing slipping and ensuring a firm grip. Suitable for all sleeve bearings with an internal diameter ranging from 0.5 to 2 inches, this tool is both durable and easy to use, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. This 16.5-foot compact aluminum telescoping ladder is highly portable and easy to transport, making it perfect for storing in your car or trailer. Its adjustable design extends from 3 to 16.5 feet, offering versatility for various tasks. Whether used as an 8.2-foot plus 8.2-foot A-frame ladder or fully extended as a 16.5-foot straight ladder for roof or attic work, it adapts to your needs. The ladder features a robust locking mechanism, ensuring stability and safety during use, making it an excellent multifunctional tool. The wheel wash brush operates using water pressure from a standard garden hose, eliminating the need for batteries or electricity. This eco-friendly tool effectively removes brake dust and road grime from wheel rims with its efficient, powerful rotation. The brush features durable synthetic bristles that are 3.45 inches long and has a total length of 12.95 inches, making it ideal for cleaning hard to reach corners and wheel rim gaps. It is suitable for washing the wheels of cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and other vehicles. This versatile 46-piece set is ideal for removing components with 2 or 3 mounting points, such as flywheels, crankshafts, steering wheels, pulleys, and more. Each tool is crafted from hardened carbon steel with a protective oxide coating, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The set features 30 different bolts and a slotted shank with 4 slots, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs. It also comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transport and storage. This durable anti-theft wheel lock offers robust protection for your vehicle. Made from reinforced steel, it resists tampering from tools such as lockpicks, drills, hacksaws, and even withstands cutting, drilling, and freezing methods. Its dual locking mechanism provides an extra layer of security, while the bright yellow powder coating ensures high visibility both day and night, deterring potential thieves. Designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, trailers, and some motorhomes, this lock is perfect for home parking, hotels, shopping centers, and parking lots. Installation is quick and easy with just a key and handle, making this lock a reliable, universal solution for vehicle theft prevention. This headlight recovery kit efficaciously gets rid of scratches and addresses problems like yellowing, clouding, and oxidation, supporting to restore your headlights' brightness and enlarge their lifespan for more secure riding. The package consists of a polish to dispose of scratches and oxidation in conjunction with a repair package featuring a sprig applicator. The particularly formulated polish restores even seriously broken coatings, effectively putting off clouding and oxidation. Using this kit will no longer simply decorate the lifespan of your headlights, but additionally enhance night driving safety. The products are easy to apply and require no special abilities for utility. The Ox-Gord set of air conditioner button covers is a practical accessory designed for a wide range of GM models from 2007 to 2014, including cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks. These covers are made from durable plastic with a matte finish, offering protection against UV damage and color fading. They attach easily with a special adhesive film. Installation is simple. Clean the surface, place the cover over the button, and adjust if needed. The covers closely match the original buttons in appearance and stay securely in place without falling off. This set of 4 decorative license plate mounting screws includes hex nuts measuring 0.86 inches in diameter and 0.35 inches thick, with logos measuring 0.78 inches in diameter. Made from aluminum alloy, these nuts are adhesive, water-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. The unique design adds a stylish touch to your license plate. Installation is simple and only requires a screwdriver. The kit is universal, fitting most cars, motorcycles, and trucks for both front and rear mounting. This set is an excellent choice for enhancing and decorating your license plates. This durable PVC cover is designed to fit spare tires on Hummer H3 SUVs, Jeep Wranglers, Ford Broncos, Land Rovers, and other full-size SUVs. Installation is hassle-free with its elastic edge requiring no tools. The PVC material shields the tire from dirt, water, scratches, and harmful UV rays. While not genuine leather, the cover is waterproof and provides reliable protection. Avoid applying excessive force during installation to prevent damage. This sleek protective cover enhances both style and functionality for your SUV's spare tire. This versatile tablet and smartphone holder ensures comfort and entertainment on long trips, supporting devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches. It securely attaches to the back seat with adjustable telescoping arms and soft rubber padding, preventing chafing and reducing vibrations. The holder rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to easily customize the viewing angle. Installation is quick and hassle-free, fitting any car headrest. Enjoy movies, read books, play games, or listen to music hands-free, making it an ideal companion for long car journeys. The butane soldering iron with adjustable flame heats up rapidly in just 40 seconds, significantly faster than electric models. Its performance is comparable to an electric soldering iron with a power output between 20 and 80 watts, reaching temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring a built-in lighter switch and adjustable flame length from 0.5 to 1 inch, it offers easy cordless operation. The kit includes a soldering iron, 6 tips, a tube of solder, stand, protective cap, and portable case. Powered by butane, it eliminates the need for mains power, providing 30 to 100 minutes of use per refill, which takes under 20 seconds. Bamboo-activated charcoal bags effectively purify the air with their highly porous structure, containing over 2 million pores for enhanced absorption, 10 times more effective than standard activated charcoal. They quickly eliminate odors and excess humidity without the use of toxic substances or fragrances, making them safe for children and pets. To maintain their efficiency, simply place the bags in sunlight for 2 hours every 2 months. This set provides an excellent natural solution for freshening the air in your car, closets, and other spaces, effortlessly removing unwanted odors. This automobile return seat organizer is crafted from long-lasting 1000D nylon, tested for resistance to abrasion and tearing, ensuring long-lasting protection towards stains. It's clean to put in with adjustable straps that match securely across the headrest and between the backrest and seat. Measuring 23 by using 17 inches, it fits most automobiles and may be easily transferred between seats or automobiles. The Mola machine lets in you to attach extra gear like first aid kits, smartphone holders, or device wallet, increasing storage alternatives. With a most load ability of 10 pounds, it's a flexible and realistic accessory for any car. This full set of car seat covers fits a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to pickup trucks. Made from high-quality synthetic leatherette, they offer comfort, durability, and water resistance while remaining breathable. These covers shield your seats from stains, dirt, dust, and pet hair, keeping them in pristine condition. Installation is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes, and the anti-slip lining ensures the covers stay securely in place while driving. Designed for full airbag compatibility, they also enhance safety. With their stylish appearance, they add a unique touch to your vehicle. This advanced smart window film allows you to switch between transparent and opaque settings, giving you full control over privacy with just a flip of a switch. It not only enhances security by blocking prying eyes, but also offers high UV protection to prevent interior fading and shield your skin from harmful rays. Ideal for car windows, office spaces, meeting rooms, and reception areas. The film is versatile and easy to apply. Additionally, it can reduce noise levels by up to 20%, creating a quieter, more comfortable environment. A space heater with an adjustable tilt efficiently warms your garage using advanced PTC ceramic heating technology and a high-speed fan. It heats up in just 3 seconds, distributing even warmth throughout the space. Equipped with built-in overheat protection, the heater automatically shuts off to prevent fire hazards. You can choose from 3 modes: high heat, 1500 watts, low heat, 750 watts, or fan mode. The 90-degree adjustable tilt ensures optimal heat coverage, while its lightweight design, quiet operation, convenient handle, and long 5-foot cord make it portable and easy to use. To wrap up this video, we hope you found our car gadget review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and hit the like button if you enjoyed it.